When it comes to DTF heat transfers, one of the best things about the decoration process is the fact that you don't have to own the real equipment. All you have to do is have a heat press, spend 10 seconds, and voila, you're printing a beautiful product. When it comes to DTF printing, the question you often ask yourself, well, should I buy one of these machines myself? I'm here to tell you, they're not as easy as they look to operate. Yes, it's a digital machine, but there's a lot of tricks, there's a lot of things to account for, and while you can save some money bringing a DTF production in-house, you're going to still have more cost. So when you're outsourcing DTF transfers, you're paying around $3 a square foot. When you're printing them in-house, you're gonna have around 70 cents a square foot. But do know that throughout the entire year, you need to look at the entire picture. Yes, maybe I could save $10,000 bringing it in-house, but now I have to have the space, I have to have the person, and all these things will add up in cost. So I'm here to tell you, unless you are spending tens of thousands of dollars on DTF, or you want or need that extra control, continue to outsource. Outsourcing DTF has become a really good idea, primarily because the amount of suppliers, the amount of people selling DTF transfers has driven the cost down. High supply, high demand, the price just keeps coming down, and you're gonna see, $3 or less a square foot is what you definitely should be paying. And if you're paying more than that, then you're buying from the wrong company. If you have any questions on when to purchase your own DTF printer or why you should continue to just heat press and outsource the transfers, don't hesitate contacting us at Printphase.